Hi guys, so as you can see the question, counting bits. Given an integer n, return an array of ans of length n plus 1 such that for each I ans at index I is the number of ones in the binary representation. So what it's saying that you have given a number n and you have to iterate from 0 to nth index, in which you have to convert, like you have given a decimal number 2, so you have to convert it into a binary. The binary representation of 2 is 1 0. So in 1 0 how many ones are there? There is one only in binary of 2. Same goes with 3, there are 2 ones. Same goes with 4, 1 1. Same goes with 5, there is 2 1. Okay, so you have to collect all this and output how many ones in each decimal have. Okay, so how we will do it, let me show you. First we create a vector in dp and plus 1, assign all the values inside the vector 0, then for int I is equal to 1, I is less than equal to n, then I increment, then inside this our main logic will goes dp I right shift by 1 plus I and 1. Okay, so what's going on here, I will explain you. First run the code. Yeah, so it's beating 56% people. Yeah, not bad, not good. We go and log time, that's we can do it better, but I use dp approach. There are better approach, I will show you in future videos. So for now on, let's understand the code. We have declared a dp array n plus 1 size, initialize every value at all the indices are 0. Then we use a for loop. Inside the for loop we are taking the values at each of the indices, how much the value how many ones of that index is there. Like for dp is equal to I, we write to convert a number to a binary. What we are doing here, we do right shift by 1. So what it does, like you have given 2 is equal to 1 0 1 0. Okay, so if we do right shift by 1, it will become what, 0 1. Okay, it will something become like 1. Okay, then in 1 it will become 1. Okay, and what we'll do here is that in this code we are doing AND operation. Like if I is what, we are checking like 2 binary representation is 1 0, and I is what, I will become 1 0 binary representation, and I is what, I and 0. We operate in these 2 indices. Okay, right mode indices of 2 binary, so it will be, the output will be what, 0. Okay, so at the end the answer will be 1 plus 0 will be what, 1. So how many ones are in the binary of 2? It's 1. So that's how we are getting the answer. Okay, and we are storing in every index of the array of dp. Okay, so that's how the code is working. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section. Thank you.